Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing type error. numpy.float64 object is not iterable in Python with NumPy. This tutorial will delve into the type error. numpy.float64 object is not iterable error that commonly arises when working with NumPy in Python. We'll cover why this error occurs, how to identify it, and various strategies for resolving it with detailed explanations and code examples. Understanding the error. The core of the problem lies in the iterable concept. In Python, an iterable is an object, like a list, tuple, string, or NumPy array, that can be iterated over using a for loop. This means you can go through its elements one by one. numpy.float64 on the other hand, is a single numeric value, a 64-bit floating point number, not a collection of values.